Hey YouTube, Nick here, and it's a pretty nice day today. So I think I'm gonna get my four-seater going again.
Otis, you crazy mother.
Well, some of you know I built this out of 3 Red Fox go-karts and a Murray go-kart, a right-hand drive Murray. That's the live axle. And I got it all put together. I put the 212 on here, and you know, everything was working fine, but I ended up pulling my 420 Predator engine off another cart and slapping a 212 on it and selling that cart with a 212. So now I have the 420 Predator engine and a 40 series torque converter kit from Go Power Sports, so I figured why not put the 420 on my four-seater. So that's what I'm planning on doing. But I don't really have the money for the metal just yet. I do have a friend that just texted me. He says he's going to be bringing me some metal pretty soon. So hopefully that'll pan out. If not, I'm just going to have to stop being cheap, come out of pocket and buy some metal, which of course that's on the table. But anyway, regardless, I'm putting the Predator 212 back on here so I can go do some donuts, some burnouts, some drifting, some driving around illegally on the streets. So let's get started. Alright. Grab some bolts. Torque converter kit, 5/6 kit by 24 by 1. Those lock washers, these lock washers. I'll throw the kit on.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Otis, you crazy mother.
Alright guys, we got the 212 back on there. The 30 series torque converter kit is finally installed. I had a little bit of problems with that. This one, I've ordered a bunch of these things, but the last 2 that I've opened, I've been having a little bit of trouble with. I'm going to have to contact the seller and let him know I'm not 100% happy with these torque converter kits. So yeah, we'll do that later. But she's ready to rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Let's get our donut on. How about getting our donut on, man? I really like this cart. There's something about this cart that just sets it off, man. Just sets it off. It's really dirty right now. I know it is. But, yeah. Tell me what you think, guys. Do you like it? I am going to be pulling a trailer wagon behind this thing. It's not finished yet. Alright, well, guess I'll take her down the road for a bit, see how that chain holds up. My little exhaust is starting to change colors, getting hot there. I like that. I gotta put a little muffler on this. It's a little too loud for my liking. The kids are gonna be thinking it's too loud back there, but yeah. Let me throw some toboggans on and go for a little ride.
It's so cold out in here, honey.
Well, alright guys, as you've seen, she did pretty good. The chain did pop off. I'm pretty sure that's just because it stretched a little bit. It's a new chain, and I was beating the crap out of it. You know, this thing with the intake and the exhaust, it's pulling probably a little over 6.5 horsepower. Not much, but I'm pretty sure it's enough to stretch that chain. So I'll tighten the chain up and we'll try it again tomorrow. It's getting kind of dark out there and kind of cold. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a night, but we'll see you tomorrow. Tighten this chain up.
12 seconds later.
Well, it's the next day, and I'm going to loosen up the 4 bolts and slide the engine back and tighten up the chain. You ready to ride?
Yes.
Alright, let me tighten the chain up and we'll ride, okay?
Yay!
Alright. This thing's a little beast. I like this thing. My little girl got a little scared. I don't know if you saw that. She was fine going down the hill. As soon as we started coming up the hill, she just put her head down a little scared. And I was going slow. She just got to get used to it. I need a muffler on that engine. It's a little loud. So, yep. Looks like I got something to play around on for now until I throw the 420 on here. Hopefully my buddy will hit me up with some metal soon. If not, I'm just going to have to go buy some when I get some extra cash. It's not that fast on the road. I might have to do a little gearing, make it what I want. It takes off alright in the grass and in the yard and everything, but when you get out there on that street, it's just, top speed ain't there. It's might be about 40 miles an hour. I want it to go faster, so we'll see what we can do about that, but we'll wait till we put the 420 on here. But yeah, that's all I got right now. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed my little 4-seater 212 throwback on. 4-seater 212 throwback. But alright.